Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into the world of computers to explore the amazing Intel Core i5 processor. This little powerhouse is at the heart of many of the devices we use every day. You can think of the Core i5 as the brains of your computer. Just like our brains process information and control our bodies, the Core i5 processes data and controls the functions of your computer. It's the part that makes everything happen. Whether you're typing up a report, editing photos, or streaming your favorite show, the Core i5 is hard at work making sure everything runs smoothly. From browsing the internet to playing the latest video games, the Core i5 is working hard behind the scenes. It ensures that your web pages load quickly, your games run without lag, and your applications open in a snap. Without the Core i5, your computer would just be a lifeless box of circuits. Imagine trying to use a computer that can't process any information. It would be like trying to drive a car without an engine. This tiny chip is responsible for processing every single instruction and calculation that your computer performs. It's like a super efficient factory taking in raw data and turning it into useful information at lightning speed. It's a technological marvel that has revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. Think about all the things we can do today that were impossible just a few decades ago. All thanks to advancements in processor technology like the Intel Core i5. So buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of the Intel Core i5. We'll explore its history, its capabilities, and how it continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in computing. Get ready to be amazed by the power packed into this tiny chip. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a cornerstone of modern computing, the Intel Core i5 is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. But what makes the Core i5 so special? It's all about the architecture. The Core i5 is built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology that allows it to perform complex tasks with incredible efficiency. Inside the Core i5, you'll find multiple cores, each capable of handling its own set of instructions. This multi-core design means that the processor can multitask like a pro, juggling several operations at once without breaking a sweat. And it's not just about speed. The Core i5 is also designed to be energy efficient, so it can deliver top-notch performance without draining your battery or overheating your system. Security is another key feature. The Core i5 includes advanced security technologies that help protect your data and keep your system safe from threats. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected with friends and family, the Intel Core i5 has something to offer everyone. So as we look to the future, it's clear that the Intel Core i5 will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the way we interact with technology. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, science fans. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into the world of technology. Until next time, keep being curious and keep exploring. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the Core i5, let's talk about CPUs in general. CPUs, or central processing units, are often referred to as the brains of the computer. They are responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations that allow your computer to function. Without a CPU, your computer would be unable to run software, process data, or perform any tasks. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it's the control center of your computer. It interprets and carries out the basic instructions that operate a computer. Every action you take on your computer, from opening a file to playing a video game, involves the CPU. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, making sure everything runs smoothly. Just like a conductor ensures that each musician plays their part at the right time, the CPU ensures that each component of the computer works together harmoniously. CPUs have cores, which are like individual workers. Each core can handle a specific task, and modern CPUs often have multiple cores. This means that they can perform several tasks simultaneously, which is essential for multitasking. Each core can handle a specific task. For example, one core might be responsible for running your operating system, while another core handles your web browser. This division of labor allows your computer to run more efficiently. The more cores a CPU has, the more tasks it can handle at once. This is why high-end CPUs often have many cores, allowing them to perform complex tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming with ease. That means faster processing and a smoother computing experience for you. When your CPU can handle more tasks at once, you experience less lag and faster response times, making your overall computing experience more enjoyable. Then there's clock speed, measured in gigahertz or GHz. Clock speed indicates how many cycles per second the CPU can execute. A higher clock speed means the CPU can process more instructions per second. This refers to how fast the CPU can process instructions. A CPU with a higher clock speed can complete tasks more quickly, which is particularly important for tasks that require a lot of processing power, such as gaming or video editing. Imagine it as the tempo of the orchestra. A higher clock speed means things happen quicker. Just as a faster tempo in music can make a piece more exciting, a higher clock speed can make your computer feel more responsive and capable of handling demanding applications. Now, let's focus on the Core i5. The Intel Core i5 is a mid-range processor that offers a great balance between performance and cost. It's designed for users who need a reliable and efficient CPU for everyday tasks, as well as more demanding applications. The Core i5 is capable of handling a wide range of activities, from browsing the web and streaming videos to gaming and video editing. Its multiple cores and high clock speed make it a versatile choice for many users. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, the Core i5 can provide the performance you need without breaking the bank. It's a popular choice for those who want a powerful and efficient CPU that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Now let's zoom in on the Core i5 itself. This tiny chip, no larger than a postage stamp, is a marvel of modern engineering. It's a bustling metropolis of microscopic components, each one playing a crucial role in the overall function of your computer. Imagine a city where every citizen has a specific job, working in harmony to keep everything running smoothly. That's what happens inside the Core i5. This tiny chip is a complex city of microscopic components, each with a specific job to do. Just like a real city, it has its own infrastructure, transportation systems, and specialized workers. The streets are the pathways for electrical signals, the buildings are the various units and registers, and the citizens are the electrons moving through the circuits. It's a world that operates at lightning speed, performing billions of operations per second. One key component is the Arithmetic Logic Unit, or ALU. Think of the ALU as the city's mathematician and logician. It handles all the calculations and logical operations that are essential for the computer to function. Whether it's simple arithmetic like addition and subtraction, or more complex operations like multiplication and division, the ALU is the brain behind these tasks. This is the math whiz of the operation, handling all the calculations. Without the ALU, your computer wouldn't be able to perform even the most basic tasks. It's like the financial district of our microscopic city where all the number crunching happens. Then there's the cache memory, which is like the Core i5's short-term memory. This is where frequently used data is stored so that the CPU can access it quickly. Imagine it as a high-speed expressway that allows data to travel rapidly between different parts of the chip. It stores frequently used data so the CPU can access it quickly. This is crucial for the overall speed and efficiency of your computer. Without cache memory, the CPU would have to fetch data from the slower main memory, which would significantly slow down performance. We also have the instruction decode unit, which deciphers the instructions from your software. Think of it as the city's translator, converting high-level instructions into a language that the CPU can understand and execute. This unit ensures that the CPU knows exactly what tasks it needs to perform and in what order. And finally, the control unit acts as the traffic cop, directing the flow of data within the CPU. It manages the execution of instructions, ensuring that everything happens in the right sequence and at the right time. Without the control unit, the city would descend into chaos, with data colliding and operations failing. It's the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly, making sure that your computer performs efficiently and reliably. But how does the Core i5 actually execute instructions? It follows a four-step process: fetch, decode, execute, and write back. First, the CPU fetches the instruction from memory. Then it decodes the instruction, figuring out what needs to be done. Next, the ALU swings into action, executing the instruction. Finally, the result is written back to memory, and the cycle repeats millions of times per second. The Core i5 also boasts some impressive technologies to boost its performance even further. One of these is hyper-threading. This allows each core to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, like a worker juggling multiple projects at once. Then there's Turbo Boost, which kicks in when you need an extra burst of speed. It's like a turbocharger for your CPU, temporarily increasing the clock speed for demanding tasks. While the Core i5 is a powerhouse, it's also designed to be energy efficient. It features intelligent power management technologies that adjust power consumption based on workload. This means your laptop battery lasts longer and your desktop computer uses less electricity. It's a win-win for you and the environment. So, how does the Core i5 impact your everyday computing experience? In countless ways. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just a casual user, the Core i5 delivers the performance you need. It can handle demanding games with ease, render complex three-dimensional graphics, and breeze through everyday tasks like web browsing and document editing. The Core i5 is a versatile processor that powers millions of computers worldwide. That's a quick look at the amazing Intel Core i5 processor. We've covered a lot of ground, but there's always more to learn about the fascinating world of computer technology. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and there are always new discoveries to be made. The Intel Core i5 is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of technological advancement. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what incredible innovations the future holds. One thing's for sure, it's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast.